I do peppercorn ranch. I do.
You just have the nachos, yes?
I do.
Okay. And what kind of meats did you want? The steak or the rotisserie?
Chicken. Please.
And then it comes with shredded cheese and then nacho cheese. Do you want that as well or no?
You can get either or both.
You can get both.
Okay, both. Both.
We use grocery this time. Are you okay with that?
The peppercorn? Yep.
It looks delicious, right?
Yes, it does.
In mayo?
You want mayo?
Yeah.
That's new. You never got mayo before.
And chipotle sauce?
You're trying new things.
A little more.
Oh my gosh, more.
And just salt and pepper.
Mayo? You like mayo?
Yes. I did. It's not like I haven't had it before, Mom.
I know, but still. Those are kind of burnt, no?
Well, the chips were in the thing, Mom. What else?
I know, but that seemed like they're kind of burnt. No, girl. How much are they? $5?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, but you guys should probably toast them a little less. So you should toast them a little less because that looks burnt.
You want to do another one?
No, we're not going to make things difficult.
So it comes with onions, tomatoes, jalapenos, and baja chipotle.
Sounds like a good time. Sounds like a good time. That comes with tomatoes too. You guys cut that up?
Yes.
Okay.
I have this or no?
Sure.
Actually, got some chips instead.
Okay. Well, that looks really good though.
So long as you got an earth and cheese.
The baja chipotle, do you want it on that or on the side?
You can put it on. You already put the nacho cheese?
Yes, it's already on.
Oh, okay.
You want some more?
A little bit.
Okay. Is that good?
That's excellent.
Steak, can you put chipotle sauce on the bread?
That's a good little snack for those.
Both sides?
It's like if you want it on your other side.
You can put it on the side. That'll work. Thank you so much. What did you say?
If you're at work and you want like a quick something.
Steak?
Like a quick
What is it?
You should do a video on trying it.
Oh, is it mixed in with
You think a box is cute?
Yeah, Subway is trying to step up their options so they can get more
no green
people.
pepper, no onion.
Well, it looks pretty good to me. So I think it's a good idea. Yeah.
Yeah, that's fine. Can you take 100?
I think so.
Okay.
You heard?
So we're gonna add some more cheese because you can barely see any nacho cheese on it. I heated it up. Let's see what it. Ooh, the cheese is very hot.
Why is it so small?
It's only $5.
Oh, okay, that's not bad.
Okay. Let's see what it tastes like.
And nacho.
They put
Can I get one? Or no?
Yeah, sure. I'm gonna try this part right here.
Easy.
It's not bad. The Baja gives it an extra kick. The Baja sauce. You didn't like the
really
Raven?
good. It's really good with the onion.
With the onion? Okay.
It's alright.
It's alright? You don't like
It's
it?
really messy. I feel like you have to have a more defined taste. Like you have to like a lot of lettuce and all that.
Oh, you think
stuff.
lettuce?
Like, right. You have to like that type of stuff. If you don't like onions or any of that, I don't think it's for you because it has a really strong taste.
It does.
I mean,
You like it? I like it too. I would make it at home though.
right.
I really do my thing with it.
Or
But
just like buy the cheese and make it at home.
yeah, $5 is nothing for this. It's not a lot.
That's something I'd buy if I was like poor. If I was on the street, that's perfect street meal.
But for $5, it's not a bad deal. You get just enough, and it's kind of spicy. What do you got? What do we give it, guys? I give it a.
I'll give it like a 6.7.
I'll give it a 7.
Give it
A 7 out of 10. You give it a 5, Raven?
Yeah.
Okay. You want to try?
Baby, you got something.